Don't know if you can see my face or not. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with JoJo and Mikey. Mikey's over there cleaning himself. I'll show you what I'm cooking in a little bit. Get that paper started. I like fire. Get that charcoal going. Alright, again, don't know if you can see my face or not. We're going to grill a steak, salt and pepper, and then we're going to let it rest with rosemary and some butter with olive oil and sea salt. We're also going to put this and salt and pepper with some red skin potatoes. I got these from the farmer's market. Got a whole bag of potatoes. Got a new handle thing so I don't burn myself. We're going to cook the potatoes over here. You're probably saying, look at all that rust. I'm going to say, get some iron in my diet. So, I'll get this started. You'll catch up with me in a little bit. Right. Big pile of cut up potatoes. Put some in there already. I'm also using pre-roasted garlic minced in water. That's rosemary. I don't know if I said that before. The steak we're about to open, salt, pepper, get it ready. While we're waiting, the potatoes take a little while. And I got a lot of them. I learned this trick from Elton Brown. Put some newspaper in the bottom, charcoal on top, fire it up, let it go. It's really hot really fast. Dump it out in there, spread them around. Put your grates on top, put your food in. Works pretty good. So, I'm going to get that steak ready. It's always good to let it warm up to room temperature. Cooks better that way. Cooks faster. This one's pretty thin, so I don't know how well I'm going to cook it. Wish I had asparagus, but it was kind of expensive. And with all my surgeries coming up, I decided I should probably not be chewing that while I'm trying to talk. Decided it'd be better to skip out on asparagus because, well, not something I had to have. Alright, we'll check back again in a little bit. Yeah. Alright, starting to get late. It's getting dark out. Gonna get the steak on here. Just salt and pepper on it. We got those coals nice and close. Hear that sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. We'll let it sit for a little bit. Turn it a quarter turn, flip it, turn it a quarter turn, pull it off. We'll update the video in a little bit. Alright, we're at the end. It's all cooked. I think it should be good for me. I like it about medium well. Now what I've learned Oh, finally. Man, it's hot. I did cook it a little long. Still delicious. You slice it up. Then I have butter, rosemary, and garlic. mix it all up. And let it rest for about 5 minutes. Then, potatoes, they're done. We got a good meal. So, gonna close this out. Steak potatoes, yum yum. Still trying to figure out how to do my videos, so I don't know. We'll see. We're getting there. New mic works pretty good. Definitely blocks a lot of the wind noise, but I gotta stand a little closer, I think. Yeah. Don't know if you can even see my face. But, peace out. This is Joe. Click one of these links. Subscribe. Watch a video. We'll see. I don't know what I'm doing. Learning new things. You can hear Big Mike. He's hungry. I'm hungry. We're gonna go.